Hi friends, my name is Sarita and I welcome you to my channel The Quest, a journey to simple life. Today we'll cover the most important and valuable topic, campus recruitments. Today a lot of companies prefer doing campus recruitments as they get a lot of good talent at one place itself. So they do tie up with colleges and institutes so that through these they can offer these candidates good placement opportunities. Companies conduct campus interviews and select the right candidate for entry-level jobs or as management trainees with good packages. The recruitment panel comes to these colleges and institutes to conduct the job interview process. Students keep waiting for it as this gives them opportunity to start their career with good companies at the initial stage of their career. More than one company comes to the campus to conduct interviews, so it gives option to the candidates as well opportunity to get selected with the other company if he or she is not selected with one company. Now let's understand how you need to prepare for campus placements. The first is you need to prepare for written examination well. Generally, it consists of technical questions related to your subject or the basic aptitude tests like logical, maths and verbal reasoning, etc. You can check out the sample questions from the last year campus interviews, or there are a lot of samples available over net. Check out from those and practice as many sample questions as you can. Second is do your company research well. The companies that are coming in your campus, you need to research them well. Check out the website and understand their products and services and know about all the recent developments. It helps you to correlate your skills and you perform really well in the interview. Third is do your mock practice well with either your family members or friends. Try to understand the basics of HR interview questions like tell me about yourself, why you want to join the company, what are your strengths and weaknesses, etc. For HR related questions, just check out my videos in human resource section. You will get in detail on how to prepare yourself for HR interviews. Fourth is wear formal clothes during the interview. This is very important. Today, before taking your interview, the panel checks your presentation skills. So be presentable. Wear formals with well-polished shoes. Fifth is get your documents ready. It's very important as you know that in campus interview, more than one company comes to hire you for roles. So you need to be ready with multiple copies of your certificate. Sixth is during interview, be confident and maintain proper eye contact. It shows your confidence and determination towards respective role. It represents that the candidate is knowledgeable and he knows what he is projecting in front of the panel. Seventh is be flexible in terms of location, if possible, because these companies are the top notch in the market. They like your dedication towards role, and if you are open to relocation, it gives good impression. Eighth is before the interview, just relax yourself. Take a deep breath. Don't be nervous at all. Have a sip of water and just go for it. It will help you to be calm and you will give your best in the interview. So these are the 8 steps which will help you to prepare for campus interview and you will definitely perform well in your placements. I hope this information was helpful. I know campus recruitments are on the way and a lot of candidates are preparing to give their best. So do prepare yourself well with these tips and nothing will stop you to get selected. My best wishes to all the candidates applying for placement this year. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon below so that you don't miss any of the notifications. Thank you so much.